The centre will bring a new national tourism policy before the budget session of Parliament. This was stated by Union Tourism and Culture Minister G. Kishan Reddy while addressing the National Conference of State Tourism Ministers at Dharamshala in Himachal Pradesh. He said the national tourism policy will be brought after vast consultations and deliberations with stakeholders. Reddy said that the National Conference of State Tourism Ministers is also important in the context of India's G20 presidency, even as he added that the government is working on a fourfold development strategy that focuses on improving the connectivity via air, rail and roads, enhancing the tourism infrastructure and dependent services.
इस टूरिज्म सेक्टर के विकास में होना चाहिए। तमिलनाडु में ये किया है, मेरे पास क्यों ना हो सकता है? गोवा में ये किया है, मेरा स्टेट में क्यों नहीं हो सकता है? ये मिनिस्टर्स के बीच में, ऑफिसर्स के बीच में एक हेल्थी कंपटीशन अगर नहीं हुआ, विकास टूरिज्म नहीं हो सकता है।
Health Minister James Sangma has said that the government is trying